What is found in frequency modulation? Answer A. Fixed frequency. Color of light is related to its answer A. Frequency. What principal law explains the working of hydraulic brakes in automobiles? Answer B. Pascal's law. Which one of the following is used for sunglasses? Answer A. Crookes glass. Good conductor of electricity is answer D. Graphite. Longitudinal waves cannot travel through answer C. Vacuum. The fourth state of matter is known as answer B. Plasma. Which of the following parts of sunlight makes the solar cooker hot? Answer A. Infrared. Cryogenic is a science dealing with answer C. Low temperatures. Spectacles used for viewing 3D films have answer A. Polaroids. The weakest of all fundamental force is answer D. Gravitational force. 1 micron is equal to answer A. 10 की power minus 6. The unit of noise pollution level is answer B. Decibel. The pitch of sound depends on its answer C. Frequency. Solar energy is due to answer D. Fusion reaction. A body absorbs heat most if it is answer B. Black and rough. The slope of a velocity time graph represents answer B. Acceleration. A rear view mirror for driving is answer A. Convex. The audio signals of TV are answer D. Frequency modulated. Red is used as an emergency or danger signal as answer C. Its wavelength is the longest. Which color of light shows maximum deviation when passed through a prism? Answer B. Violet. Pure water is poor conductor of electricity because it is answer D. Feebly ionized. The filament of electric bulb is made up of answer C. Tungsten. The device which transfers the signal from low resistance region to high resistance region. Answer A. Transistor. When a detergent is added to pure water, its surface tension, answer B, decreases. Therm is a unit of answer D, heat. A pond water appears less deep due to answer B, refraction. Heat from the sun reaches the earth by answer A, radiation. The mass of a star is 2 times the mass of the sun. How it will come to an end? Answer C, neutron star. A boat will submerge when it displaces water equal to its own. Answer A, weight. Where are mesons found? Answer A, cosmic rays. Tungsten is used for the manufacture of a filament of an electric bulb because answer D, it has a very high melting point. The term isonaph indicates the lines of equal. Answer C, cloudiness. The period of revolution of a geostationary satellite is answer A 24 hours. The time period of a second pendulum is answer B 2 seconds. Lens is made up of answer D flint glass. Among the following materials, sound travels fastest in answer B steel. Kilowatt hour is a unit of answer B energy. The head mirror used by ENT doctors is answer B concave. The word insolation mean answer C incoming solar radiation. A NOT gate can be implemented by answer A single transistor. The term reactor referred to in wastewater treatment is answer B aeration tank. The earth is a answer C bad observer and bad radiator of heat. Which of the following radiations has the least wavelength? Answer A G-ray. A light year is a unit of answer A distance. Persons suffering from myopia are advised to use answer C concave lens. The device used for locating submerged objects under sea is answer B sonar. A device which is used to limit the current is an electrical circuit is called a answer A fuse. A transformer answer D is used to decrease or increase AC voltage. Eclipses occur due to which optical phenomena? Answer C reflection.